Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best tools and accessories to make your life easier. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best extension cord holder reel on the market. The DEWENWILS 60FT Retractable Extension Cord Reel. If you've ever struggled with tangled cords, or simply need a more efficient way to manage your extension cords, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. First, let's talk about its design. The DEWENWILS cord reel features a heavy-duty 12/3 CSJTOW power cord that's both oil and waterproof, making it an ideal choice for tough environments like garages, workshops, and even outdoor use in dry locations. This robust construction ensures that the cord reel can handle whatever challenges you throw at it, whether it's extreme weather, dust, or even a bit of oil. The 60-foot cord gives you plenty of reach, but it's not just about length, it's about ease of use. The built-in automatic rewind function smoothly retracts the cord with just a gentle tug, which means no more messy cables cluttering up your workspace. This cord reel comes with 6 grounded outlets, allowing you to plug in multiple devices at once. Whether you're working on a large project in the garage or setting up several tools in your workshop, this cord reel can handle it all. The twist lock stopper lets you lock the cord in place, ensuring you can adjust the length without needing any tools. Simply twist, and you're good to go, making this reel incredibly user-friendly. For safety, the DEWENWILS cord reel is equipped with a 15A circuit breaker. This feature automatically cuts the power if the load exceeds 15 amps, protecting your equipment from damage. If that happens, just hit the reset button, and you're back to work. Plus, this reel is ETL listed, meaning it meets rigorous safety standards. One of the standout features is its easy installation. With a 180-degree swivel bracket, you can mount this reel on the wall or ceiling, giving you flexibility in where you position it. Whether you're a mechanic, a craftsman, or someone who enjoys DIY projects at home, this cord reel makes cord management simple and efficient. To sum it up, the DEWENWILS 60FT Retractable Extension Cord Reel is a game-changer for anyone who wants to keep their workspace tidy, safe, and organized. It's tough, reliable, and packed with features that make cord management a breeze. If you've been looking for a way to solve your cord problems, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this one. See you in the next video.